get started. So this is what we're looking like. I have a lot of hair out right here. We definitely don't need this much hair out because this is a V-part unit, meaning you don't have to leave out much of your hair. Versus like wearing a U-part wig, you would need to leave out a little bit more of your hair to get it to blend and to fill in that space. So with V-part units, the leave out is minimum. You don't have to leave out a lot. This is the unit that we are working with, girl. So this is Yaki straight hair. I'm going to show you how it looks straight, and we're also going to put some wand curls in it and show you a different look as well. So the length on this unit is 22 inches. So this is going to mimic my natural hair texture when I have like a blowout. The density on this unit is 250%. When I say this hair, this wig is dense, it's definitely dense. It's definitely giving full. So if you want full hair, you definitely want to go with more denser hair. The length 22, baby, you gonna have Shaka Khan going on, okay? So when you get the unit, it's going to come attached right here at the beginning, and the one thing that you want to do is just snip the thread right here, and it's going to break the wig apart, and that's where you're going to see that it's a V part. So I'm just gonna snip it right there, boom. And you can see that it makes a V. So that's where you get the V part wig from. And with the V part, like I said, you don't need a lot of leave out. So we're gonna go ahead and section my hair off and take some of this hair away and just braid it down. So like I said, you don't need a lot, but I do wanna measure out how much I'm going to need. Okay, so before I braid the hair down, I'm going to see if I'm leaving out too much or too little hair. So we're gonna just go ahead and open these clips up so you do. I love the inside construction of this wig. It's gonna make sure the security is there. So you have 2 combs on each side of the V part. And right here you have another comb, and this is just going to add extra security. You have your band right here to add security. You have your straps right here to add security and tightness, and you have a comb in the back and 2 on the sides. So what I like to do when I'm applying these units, I start from the back. I take this comb and I put it at the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and put that comb in, and then I'm going to work my way to the front. So as you can see, I left out the perfect amount. So now I'm just going to go ahead and braid up the sides so we can get that other hair out of the way. Straight out the box and just straight blending it in with my hair. It looks so good. You can tell that the textures definitely blend well together, and all I've done was just blow dry my hair, and this is how well it like blends in with my hair and my hair texture. And you saw how short my hair is, so you can kind of see a little difference just in like the color and just a little bit of the length, but it looks so good. It blends so nicely. So this is how everything looks, just without, you know, adding anything, just taking it straight out the box, combing it and blending it in with my hair. It looks so good. It looks so natural. The length is long. It comes all the way down. So as you can see, it looks so natural. I haven't flat ironed it or anything. I'm kind of like, I don't even feel like I need to flat iron it. It just looks so nice and natural in just its natural state. And I love the fullness. I absolutely love the fullness. But for the sake of the video, I am going to run a little heat through it, and I'm also going to show you how to wine curl it. Again, when you get this texture, you're not getting it for it to be like bone straight. If you're thinking about, you know, you want hair that is going to look bone straight without like the texture, this isn't going to be the hair texture that you should choose, because it's not going to give you that sleek, you know, silk press look. Alright y'all, so I am back. It took me about an hour and a half to curl this wig. I wine curled it all over. So you saw that I started out with the big wine curler, and I was using this one just because I wanted it to be like a little faster, but I just was not getting the curls that I wanted. So I switched over to this one right here. It's by Remington. I'll link it down below. And the curls are beautiful. I did spray a little bit of the Ultimate Hold spray right here. I started out not spraying it, and I can see that some of these curls at the bottom have fell just like a little bit, but I'm pretty sure this wig is going to blend so good with my natural hair. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on and curl my hair so we can get it to blend together. So this is the finished look. Absolutely love how it turned out. As you can see, it blends well with my hair. I ended up curling the wand. I did the curls going the opposite way, and I had to recurl it and curl it coming towards the front, and that looks so much better. But I love how this came out. Y'all, I wish I had somewhere to go. Like, this will be the perfect day to like take some pictures or something. Like, I need my hair like this for like family photos or something. I love wand curls. The only thing is they just take a long time, but they're so pretty. I love this unit. I love the texture of this hair and just how everything just turned out. I will say, if you do wand curls, you get this unit, you do wand curls, make sure you spray, hold and spray to keep your curls so they won't drop, and so you can make those curls last a little longer. But this is it. So this is what it looks like curled. So as you can see, it comes right here on me. When it's straight, it's coming all the way down. Also, this unit is from Alipearl. I will have everything linked down below in the description box if you guys are interested, so make sure you check it out. But I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.